On Saturday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning, I came to Dr. Auto Glass to fix my van's back trunk window that was shattered by a bent tree at Cal Poly Pomona's parking lot. The cost for labor, installation, and the new glass with the windshield wiper thingy cost $264. And it was really good. They did a really good job. They vacuumed all the glasses, the shattered glasses clean from the trunk, and they reinstalled the glass and make sure that the windshield wipers work. This is a really good company.
我今天去 Robert 的 birthday party。这个 restaurant 叫做 Kenwood Restaurant。
We went to a thrift store bargain box before coming to the birthday party. I spent $20 there. The food at this restaurant was not very good. It had a beef brisket that was very hard and chicken slider, fried chicken slider. The chicken was very hard as well. They had some salad and Brussels sprout that was a little bit overly salty. I ordered a lemonade. It's open bar. You can order as much mixed drinks as you want. I just ordered one lemonade, and the lemonade didn't taste like it had real lemons in it. It tasted like a Gatorade kind of lemonade. There were lots of gifts given to this guy that worked 40 years at the post office, and it's also his birthday party, his 60 years old birthday party. They had some games to ask questions about this guy, and he apparently had owned 27 cars in his life. The lady in pink is the one that paid for his birthday party that cost over $1,000, and they are just friends. I would not come back to this restaurant called Kenwood Kitchen and Tap. I would not come back to this restaurant.
Happy birthday, dear Robert. Happy birthday to you. You're the best guy ever.
Wow, thank you all.
I'm here in Compass Church with my sister, and after church service, we're going to eat dinner.
The church service was great, and they offer pesto chicken pasta for dinner. The conversation at the table was wonderful. People at the Compass Church are very friendly. However, I got an allergic reaction to the food afterwards and my face puffed up. But otherwise, it was a wonderful church service.